Well, I started a project and then put them in the bottom of this bucket. So I had to go through and empty the bucket to get to the bottom of it because I was looking for these three little pieces here. And maybe this one as well. But while I was going through the bucket, I came across a whole bunch of other things. And I thought I would show them off to see if you guys all know your materials. So this one is Jasper. I believe this is Gary Green. Let's see if I can get it up there where you can see it. This is Oolite. Not very promising looking on the outside, but the slab is pretty solid. So that should be interesting. This is a piece of amethyst sage. You can see the purple starting to come through. I've been working on it. It needs a lot more work. And of course everybody loves their holly blue. That will eventually become something nice. Good solid piece. Little crack right there, but nothing major. Can work around that. Here's some blue chalcedony. Nice blue color. I'm sure the wife will steal that whenever I get something cut out of it. And then I was thinking these were Trent, but I don't think they are. Actually, I think they're Marfa. Nice black plumes in there though. This is actually a slab of a agatized stalactite. And it will take a beautiful polish. I just haven't gotten as far as I wanted with it. Now down here is a piece of Tennessee agate, and you can see why I'm playing with that, although there's a crack running through it, so I have I stabilized it with some super glue. Hopefully it'll hold together. If not, then there'll be smaller stuff. I'm not sure what this is. It's a seam agate of some kind, but it's full of tubes. Crazy tubes. So that should cut something really nice. This is a piece of Moroccan horn coral. You can't tell from the outside, but as you can see from the inside, once I got it wet, there's the coral stalk, obviously cut across it. This is hypersthene. It's very soft. I definitely had to add some super glue to it to stabilize it. And this will probably fall apart before I get it finished, but I'm gonna give it a try. Just take it really nice and slow. I have a piece of, I think this is Feather Ridge. I don't think it's Regency Rose from Graveyard Point. I believe this is Feather Ridge, and what you're looking for is the pink plumish stuff. This has got some red plumes in it. I don't know if it's, yeah, it probably is curry plume. It's also got some nice, come on, focus, nice patterns in the side, so that'll make a nice freeform cabochon. And I found this, and I was like, hey, oh, that's Pride plume. And I gotta look a little bit more, and there's another piece of Pride plume. And then I found this whole slab of a thunder egg. You can see also Pride plume. So that was kind of a nice little benefit. I don't know, I think this is also, no, this might be Trent or Marfa, one of the two. It has some nice little plumes in there. And then this guy, this is a piece of Willow Creek Jasper. Some of the craziest pattern I have ever seen in there. So that's going to be a nice big freeform cabochon. I'm hoping I can get a competition quality cabochon. It's a wedge pattern, or shape I should say. So some of it will have to be cut down to make a nice cabochon, but He's got some crazy pattern in there. Willow Creek Jasper. And oddly enough, I found a handful of sunstones. I don't know where the heck those came from because I haven't been there in many, many, many years. Well, anyway, that's what happens when you go through a big, huge bucket of preforms because you're cleaning up. And I cleaned up too much.